Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Peaches. So I'm going to teach you guys the simple chords, and then we'll also learn how to do the major 7 chords. So simple with the F, then E minor, D minor, and then C major 7. Okay, so F, E minor, D minor, C major 7. Now if you guys want to know how to do the major 7s, I'm doing down this side is F major 7, so bar the 5th fret and your ring finger on the 7th. And then just like the D minor, we're going to go up to the 4th fret, and then place our pinky right on the 5th. So the E minor 7. Then we're going to bring this down to the D minor 7. And then C major 7. So we're using F major 7, E minor 7, D minor 7, C major 7. So the strum pattern kind of depends on how you want to play it. If you want to do the slow version, I just gotta strum down. C major 7, or so you can use the F. So that's the slow. You guys can do a more upbeat. So 1, 2. So I'm just going down, up, down, down, up, down. And that's it. So those are the chords you guys can use. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys haven't yet, go ahead, subscribe, give this video a like and a comment on the next song you guys want to hear. Also have this on the guitar version, so check out on that. But I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.